DMARC for Gmail. What is it and how to set it up? Warmy blog. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on DMARC for Gmail. Learn what DMARC is, why it matters for email security, and how to configure it for your Gmail account effectively. DMARC enhances email security by preventing domain spoofing through DNS-based policies that enforce email authentication standards like SPF and DKIM, enhancing email delivery, and providing detailed reports to optimize communication strategies. Step-by-step guide to setting up DMARC for Gmail. Step 1. Create a DMARC record. Start by creating a DMARC TXT record for your domain, starting with v=. DMARC 1. To specify the DMARC version. Define the policy, none, quarantine, or reject, to determine how emails failing DMARC authentication should be treated. Optionally, include RUA =mail to. Example.com to receive aggregate reports of DMARC failures. Step 2. Publish the DMARC record in your DNS. Access your domain's DNS settings via your registrar or hosting provider. Insert the DMARC TXT record under _DMARC. Your domain.com, formatted like SPF and DKIM records. Step 3. Set the DMARC policy, p=none. No action is taken on emails failing DMARC, but reports are sent. T-quarantine. Failing emails are moved to the spam folder. p=reject. Failing emails are outright rejected for maximum security. Step 4. Testing and monitoring DMARC. Implementation. Start with p=none to monitor email performance without impacting delivery. Transition to stricter policies once you confirm proper email authentication. Review DMARC reports regularly to adjust SPF and DKIM records, and prevent legitimate emails from being wrongly flagged as spam. Ensure your DMARC setup is effective by meticulously configuring SPF and DKIM records. Correctly aligning these with your email headers prevents authentication issues, ensuring reliable email delivery. Start with a cautious DMARC policy and adjust as needed after monitoring to avoid unintended impacts on legitimate emails. Use a free DMARC record generator for Gmail to ensure accuracy. Email warming via services like Warmy gradually builds sender reputation, ensuring reliable inbox delivery. Warmy also offers a free SPF record generator to complement DMARC, essential for optimal email security and deliverability. Securing your Gmail account with DMARC is crucial for protecting your emails from phishing and spoofing attacks. Configure DMARC today to strengthen your Gmail security and ensure safer email communication. Quick reminder before you move on. Like and subscribe to never miss out on our latest updates. We appreciate your ongoing support.